When you see the SRH Disabled warning in your Subaru, it means your steering responsive headlight system has been deactivated. This is an important safety feature that you should understand. The SRH system is an advanced lighting technology that automatically adjusts your headlight direction based on your steering input. The headlights can pivot up to 15 degrees left or right to illuminate the road in the direction you're turning. There are four main categories of problems that can cause the SRH Disabled warning. The most common is sensor malfunctions, particularly with the steering angle sensor that tells the system which direction you're turning. Electrical problems are another major cause, including blown fuses in the SRH circuit, corroded wiring connections, and faulty headlight actuator motors that physically move the headlights. Mechanical issues with the headlight assemblies themselves can also trigger the warning, as can software problems like outdated firmware or lost calibration settings after battery disconnection. It's crucial to address the SRH Disabled warning promptly because this system significantly improves your safety during night driving. Without it, you lose the enhanced visibility around curves and corners that helps prevent accidents. When facing an SRH Disabled warning, systematic troubleshooting is essential. We'll start with basic checks you can perform yourself, then move to professional diagnostic methods. Begin with these three basic checks. First, look for other warning lights on your dashboard. ABS, traction control, or steering warnings often indicate related sensor issues. Second, inspect the SRH-related fuses in both your engine bay and interior fuse boxes. A blown fuse is often the simplest cause of system failure. Third, test your battery voltage. Low voltage can cause multiple system malfunctions, including SRH Disabled warnings. If basic checks don't resolve the issue, professional diagnostic scanning is required. The Subaru Select Monitor or compatible OBD2 scanners can identify specific diagnostic trouble codes. The diagnostic scan will reveal specific trouble codes that pinpoint the exact problem. Here are the most common diagnostic trouble codes for SRH systems. Code C0051 indicates a steering angle sensor circuit malfunction, the most common cause of SRH Disabled warnings. Code C071 points to yaw rate sensor problems, while B1342 indicates SRH actuator motor failure. Repair costs vary significantly based on the problem. DIY solutions like fuse replacement cost $20 to $100. Professional diagnosis runs $150 to $300. Component replacements range from $200 for sensors up to $1,500 for complete headlight assemblies. Recent technical service bulletins address specific issues in 2018 through 2024 models. These often involve software updates for control modules or improved wiring harness designs to prevent corrosion-related failures. Professional calibration procedures have also been enhanced, with new initialization sequences and improved diagnostic protocols for intermittent faults. These updates ensure more reliable repairs and better integration with eyesight safety systems. Remember, early diagnosis and professional service are crucial for cost-effective resolution. Most SRH issues are sensor-related and can be addressed through proper calibration or component replacement.